What to do after the storm has passed. A severe storm has passed through your area with high winds and torrential rain. Your 20-year blue spruce is laying on your 2-year-old 3-car garage. What do you do next? If there are any down power lines, treat them as live and immediately call 911 or your utility company. Take any necessary steps to protect your property from further damage, such as placing a tarp over the damaged roof. As soon as you are able, contact your insurance agent. He or she will be the best person to guide you through the claims process. Once you have reported the claim, you need to make temporary repairs. Take photos of the damage prior to making the repairs and keep any receipts for materials and services you purchase. Contact a reliable contractor to obtain an estimate for your repairs. Most insurance policies will cover tree removal if it damages an insured structure. This coverage is limited, so discuss this with your agent prior to hiring someone to remove the tree. If your county has been declared a disaster area, you may also qualify for federal assistance for damage that may not be covered under your insurance policy. You should check with your local government office or the Federal Emergency Management Agency, FEMA, to see what you may qualify for. Having to deal with a loss is never easy, but the right insurance agent can make the difference. A.J. Lupus Insurance Agency will be there for you to help you through the claim process and to answer any questions that you may have.